Kung saan man umikot ang prosesyon, tutuloy ito sa championship. At ito na ang dalawang last teams standing. Walang iba kundi ang Philippine Army laban sa PLDT Homolterra. Hello, Ann. Great afternoon for championship volleyball here.
That's right. Ito yung pinaka-aabangan ng lahat ng ating Shakey's V-League fans.
And welcome to the place where it all started. It's going to be Army against PLDT. We want to jump right into the minds of our coaches. Let's now quickly go to Rina Villamor, who completes our team, and she is with the coach of Army, si Kung Fu Reyes.
That's right. Kasama ko nga ngayon si Coach Kung Fu Reyes ng Philippine Army team. How are you, Coach, going into this game? Kamusta naman po yung koponan at yung kondisyon ng mga players natin?
Yung team naman ng Army is, lagi naka-prepare. Siyempre, mataas ang moral namin since na-sweep namin yung elimination. So mas aggressive kami ngayong finals kasi lahat ng adjustment na pwede namin gawin, nagawa namin ng elimination. Siguro nasa perfect stage na kami. So hopefully mag-deliver lahat ng mga main man namin. At yun, at the rest, kung mananalo kami, darating naman yung panalo na yan. So trabahuin lang namin, maging efficient lang kami dun sa mga yung gusto namin mangyari. So at sana makuha namin.
May konti po bang pressure para sa inyong koponan considering undefeated kayo sa pagpasok dito sa ating finals?
Actually, instead na pressure yung nararamdaman namin, mas mas na-challenge kami. So yung term na pressure, hindi namin sumasagi sa isip namin. Mas sabi ko nga, mas na-challenge kami, mas kami aggressive kami sa training namin. So yun, yung preparation namin for finals is naging maayos naman.
Ano po yung magiging advantage nyo sa pagpasok sa larong ito?
Advantage going to finals, yung condition ng player andun. Halos 100% yung physical conditioning ng mga player namin. So 100% healthy kasi walang injury talaga.
Maraming salamat po and good luck for today's game, Coach Kung Fu Reyes ng Philippine Army. 7 Ann.
Don't you like to have Kung Fu on your side? He's like a big brother that you can rely on each time.
That's right. At kita-kita mo naman yung confidence niya towards his team. And ito nga yung sinasabi natin, just some key pointers here for the Philippine Army para makuha nila ang panalo ngayon. They should go full strength all game at binanggit ito ni Coach Kung Fu kanina. No let up in their attacks and they should make sure that they keep the ball in play received well. And finally, it's all about forcing PLDT to tire out defensively dahil matibay ang depensa ng PLDT.
Exactly. At saka syempre, hindi ganun ka-young ang Army but they'd like to quickly finish up PLDT. Pabor sa kanila ang shorter game. There's no question about it. On the other side, let's go to Rina, who is now with Roger Goreyeb.
That's right. Si Coach Roger Goreyeb naman para sa ating PLDT Homolterra. Coach, natalo lang kayo during our games dito sa Philippine Army team. Kayo po ba ay nag-ensayo at kamusta naman po yung mga trainings nyo sa pagpasok sa ating finals?
Okay naman yung mga naging ensayo namin lately. Medyo nakaka-adjust na yung dalawang foreigners namin. Kasi yung talo namin sa Army, matagal na yun hindi na nga namin iniisip. So sa sorry loss for us, 5 sets yun at 15-13 yung last set. So hindi na namin iniisip yun. Importante ito, makarating kami sa finals. Yan.
Kamusta naman po ang kondisyon nyo at saka ng ating mga players coming into today's game?
Mga players masaya naman, though may mga kaunting injuries lately, pero okay naman na.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo, Coach Roger, and good luck for today's game. 7 Ann.
Thank you very much, Rina. Rina will be patrolling the beat here today. At saka, by the way, don't forget, Coach Roger Goreyeb is going, he doesn't like to talk about it, a personal sweep of all the titles of the Shakey's V-League for this year. Here's the lineup, the order list para sa PLDT.
That's right. It's all out from first serve. Lahat ng gagawin nila all out dapat. They need to also utilize their guest players to the hilt. And ito palagi nating sinasabi, importante sa mga teams ang pag-receive. They shouldn't drop the ball. At all costs, keep it alive. And finally, anticipate Army's combination plays. Alam natin na matitibay ang opensa ng Philippine Army. Malakas din ang kanilang setter, so they should expect that.
Mindset. What's in the minds of the players in a championship game, man?
Well, championship game, all out ito. At saka sinasabi natin, kung skills ang pag-uusapan, talent ang pag-uusapan, both teams have it. So kung sinong mas may puso, yun ang makakakuha ng game na ito.
Let's get it going. It's going to be PLDT Homolterra up against the Philippine Army here in the finals of the Reinforced Conference of the place where it all started, the Shakey's V-League. set. First set, they played just a great first set with all those numbers you mentioned. In the meantime, Hurt, too long. I like the look of Army today. They have that gritty, in-your-face, game face on. And the barometer is usually game balse.
Yeah.
Diba? Yung game face. Seen it since those UST days. Charo Soriano is in the game. Hurt and corks. Victoria Hurt knocking down the first point of PLDT. Don't forget, place to go to with fun, family, and pizza. It's got to be Shakey's. Antone, napakadali ng volleyball sa babaeng to.
Simpleng-simple.
Oh, hindi pa nagugusot ang buhok. Kainis, ano?
Parang di pa rin pinapawisan.
Yun, isa pa yun. In the meantime, jumping out in front, 3-1 is the Philippine Army. I love the point you made 2 games back when you said she slows the ball down.
And, you know, that gives the setter some time to think of what play ang kanyang gagawin. That gives time also for the attackers na makabuelo.
Like that. Soriano with her favorite quick. Alyssa Valdez spinning around. Back row.
Gets her first point for PLDT.
And her fans go bananas.
Right now, I'm looking at PLDT and their top scorers have been Hurt, Roses, and Freeman, all with just 2 points.
Mababa
So
yun.
mababa yun. Meantime for Army, Gonzaga had scored 5, Maranyo had 4. So definitely yung point production yung hinahanap natin dito sa PLDT.
Alyssa, of course, played in the first conference, the open conference when PLDT won that conference. The reverse. Set up job. Gonzaga. It returns. It does not cross over. Kung Fu can't get it. I saw a game earlier today. Brazil against France. Men's volleyball. And they were all complaining like crazy. Wala. Puro angkalero sila. Mga protocol, decorum, wala. Talaga, angala na. Yung culture nila lumalabas eh. Nanginginit ang ulo lahat.
Very outspoken na talagang
Konting check ball,
pag they will
gagalit.
complain, no?
Galit. 4-3. Uy!
Ooh, buti na lang. Sabi ni Alyssa, hindi ko nahawakan. At sabi rin ni Coach Roger, buti na lang. Hindi niya nakuha.
Sasakalig kita.
Yung talaga si Coach Roger natatawa pa rin. Sabi niya, buti na lang.
Ako gusto ko yung girly jumping up and down niya nung namiga. And Abby Maranyo sabi niya naman, simple. Ayun, it's mine.
Ito si Abby, dalawa lang po. Nakatawa or yung game face niya?
Exactly. PLDT Ultra Fast LTE for happy families. Speeds up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. Alanganin! Walang pupuntahan yun. Kasi bumagsak yung mga sumalo ng bola eh. Alam mo, halos kaka-graduate lang ng college nito si Freeman at saka si Hurt eh. So, mga young at heart pa yan.
Oh.
First time to travel
In the
in the long distance. Hello. And that is pounced upon by Bautista. Ako, X-Factor dito yung mga veterano.
No.
Bautista, Balse, ito pagka uminit ito, may tulog itong PLDT na to.
Alam mo, ang maganda nga sa line-up ng Philippine Army, and we talked about it earlier during the pregame, yung combination of experienced players and the really young players. Because ang ganda ng balance.
Well, what else is new when Alyssa Valdez and Borgs are Ultra-Fast Spike, Ultra-Fast LTE, we're a happy family.
Of course, Ferrer knows the kind of set na gusto talaga rin ni Alyssa.
Yep, in play. Third touch. Yes!
It's good to see also itong si Hurt and Freeman probably appreciating the Filipino talent and Yun nga, the presence of Valdez.
Point. Point. Sadya yun.
No. Basta kahit saan namang parte ng
Yeah,
katawan. As long as it doesn't hit the floor.
6-7 or 7-6, depends on your perspective. And that is out of reach. We are tied at 7. Alam mo, pinawisan na rin ng PLDT. And this is a different unit. So, a little bit better gelling on the floor this time for the ultra-fast spikers. Pero, Alyssa, yep. Pag alis pa lang ng bola sa kamay ni Jem, alam niya mali na eh. 8-7, technical timeout. Number 1 of set number 2 is underway. Live TV schedule on GMA News TV. Rina, take it away.
Yes, si Tina Salak din nakakwentuhan ko before the start of this game at kwento niya nga sa akin 5 days daw silang nakumpleto ng trainings. Nung Thursday nga daw ay hardcore training sila at nung Friday naman ay light training lamang para hindi daw sila ma-burnout sa pagpasok sa larong ito. More than anything else, they really have to play motivated para sa larong ito. Sabi niya nga sa akin, yung motivation dapat hindi na yan ang gagaling sa mga coaches nila, kundi personal motivation para maipanalo ang larong ito. Of course, they don't want to give confidence para dito sa kupunan ng PLDT team. At siya din naman yung sinabi ni Coach Roger dito sa PLDT team that they needed to regain their confidence dito sa ating second set. Yun yung nawala sa kanila during that first set. 7-9.
Thank you very much, Rina Villamor. And while you were speaking, there was a buoyant moment there.
Yes. So,
Ngayon, nakakita na tayo ng tira ulo ginamit.
oo, ngayon paa.
Ngayon paa.
Parang sipa lang yun. Eh,
Hita na yung ginamit eh. Ito malakas.
And during before nag-serve itong PLDT, si Tina Salak na lumapit sa ating officials, humihingi ng double call on the opponent, pero of course,
Hindi binigay.
oo, hindi binigay.
Lapit sa net. Alyssa scored 4 points since arriving into the second set.
You know, I think what's good, regardless of whether nag-gel na or hindi, si Alyssa, hindi naaral nitong Philippine Army yung kanyang laro. So right now, talagang nahanap ni Alyssa lahat ng butas. And you're right, scored 4 points already. Very high percentage.
It is inside. Nobody was there in that zone. And expect Tina Salak to know how to read those things. Alam mo kung hindi nag-volleyball player to, hindi nagtrabaho sa amin, doktora to. Galing magbasa ng x-ray eh. Saan ka pupuntahin ito? Ito si Hurt. Winalis. Long. First set, if you just joined us, going the way of Army, 25-16. Salak, Balse, that doesn't go through. Gonzaga hammers. Jem, Hurt. And the corner.
High trajectory of the ball, so akala ni Torres, it was on its way out.
And it's 11-10. PLDT with the upper hand. Antone, Jem adjusting. Soriano firing. Kurt said, why not mess around with the ball?
And she hesitated so...
And that's why Pantone backpedaled. I think we'll see it here. Up. Ooh, why did I mess around with that one? 11-all. Regalo. Huwag mong bibigyan si Abby ng regalo.
Nagmamandali itong si Abby eh.
Well, 11 count here. Well,
now the problem that we're seeing with PLDT is with keeping the ball alive. Ito sinasabi natin when it comes to reception or defense. It's all about receiving well. Ayan, yung sinabi natin kanina, don't drop the ball, and that's what's happening right now.
Earlier, a glimpse of the service area that they want to send the ball to. In the meantime, that goes the way of PLDT. We're at 13-12. A much closer second set compared to that first set wherein Army just broke loose after leading at 5-2. Soriano. Nagkagulo. Free ball. Too close to the net. Valdez got to it. Soriano as well. Valdez says, let's give it over. Salak. Tago. Nakuha.
Oh, a net violation called on PLDT.
That hurts. Ang ganda ng pick-up ni Jeff
Oo.
Ferrer. Most depressing call in volleyball.
I know, pag maganda yung pick-up, ang ganda ng depensa.
Regardless of what
Oo.
whatever FIVB will say, it is. But that's a rule. We'll stay with it. We'll play with it.
Good serve.
Agno. Nice catch by Hurt.
You see, Hurt is really right there on top of the ball. Talagang walang lulusotan yung bola.
Watch this.
Nandun eh.
Tontoa, oh.
Oo.
So Thomas is in for Hurt. 13-14 is the count here. Cargado. Nice set. Lumutang yung bola eh. Ferrer, a new libero. Valdez is coming.
They really cannot get a good read on Valdez. She's been going at that down the line area, no? Kanina pa siya nakakapuntos doon. Look at this.
As she grew older, Eliza has learned how to contort her body in the air to move away from blocks. Dati, isa-slam lang yan ang open niya.
Oo.
I've seen her since she was high school. Ngayon, naititwist niya yung body niya. Oh, net. Net. Don't forget, Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. 15-14 is the count here. Close and tight as ever. Roses. Valdez catches it on the floor.
And you see, ito yung sinasabi natin, yung iwas din sa blockers. Ano? Kanina down the line, Sala covered that area. This time around, kinuha niya yung cross court.
Ang gumaling kay Eliza through the years, yung read niya ng defenses. What weapon will I pull out at this moment? Parang siya Counter-Strike eh. Huli! Ni Freeman sa tuktok. Buhay pa. 1 against 3. Salak. Namakul yun. Valdez is coming. But too long. And it is 16-15. Second technical timeout. Army ahead. Places to go to follow and like the Shakey's V-League. And that's both on Twitter as well as on Facebook. Here's Jelly Ann Maraasin, and just by visiting us here today from all the way from Antipolo, and she's a young 18-year-older, and she's going to enjoy the Shakey's pizza that she's going to get as a Shakey's V-League face of the game.
Of course, maganda yung nanonood ka na ng exciting na game, may pizza ka pa.
May drinks din ba yan? O mo, meron kasama pa, oh. May kasama pang drink. Okay. Si Goku biglang napakoach ng partner, ha? Kaya medyo may punto siya. Si Tina Salak ang approach dito. Tumama eh. Gagalit na si Kung Fu.
Just some Ito, kailangan pag-usapan ng ating mga officials.
Tingnan nga isa pang silip direct dun sa last play. Kung pwede. Eto. Sige nga, Ann. Malagay mo.
From this angle, it's not clear kasi yung nakikita natin yung bola, no? But the net was shaking.
So anong contention ng net touch?
No, I think
Eto.
more of asking kung tumama sa antena.
At what point, ano? Kung kailan? Parang hindi naman eh.
Or a net touch.
Well, the Venadera is in for Charo Soriano. So the bone of contention, kanino ang serve niya?
Now it's PLDT.
Mukhang yung point binigay sa PLDT. So
Yep.
tabla tayo sa 16. Salak. Ooh, nice pick up that time by Gretchen Soltones. They don't want to waste it.
Oh! Straight into the net for Bautista.
And PLDT regains the upper hand, 17-16. Serve in play. Salak. Manageable. Valdez.
Valdez off the block.
Medyo enough speed pa niya ng konti, ha? Latiga, you now giving free man a breather here. We're having, yes, we have a timeout. Let's go into Compulsado.
Guys, isa lang kung post lang. Huwag na tayo magano. Kami na lang natin ang
Well, no question over the fact that Valdez's participation and entry, inclusion into the lineup has altered the mood of the game. They have now additional firepower, no question about it.
Definitely. And yun nga, ang taas ng conversion ng points itong si Valdez. Almost all of the attempts converted to points.
I think 1 or 2 lang ang hindi pumasok.
Oo.
And that is taken care of by Tina Salak. That area is hers. 17-18 count. First set, in case you just joined us, went the way of the Army, 25-16. Namumursyento si Jem.
At nakuha naman niya ang puntos. Alam nila na dito sa set of players that's on the floor, itong si Valdez yung di pa basang-basa ng Philippine Army.
So umikot ang rotation. Si Dai is in the back row. Regalo, hindi lang liparan di Banadera. Soltones firing. Well done. Well done. Tubino knocking that down. Walang blocker halos eh. So 18-19 ang count natin. Lamang pa rin ang PLDT. Tina Salak handa nang mag-serve. Regalo. Bounce. Tabla tayo sa 19.
Slowly but surely, kumukuha ng puntos itong Philippine Army.
Yeah. Yung Mikasa, official ball ng Shakey's Willie. Alam na alam kung saan nila papupuntahin. Oh! Biglang namatay opensa nitong PLDT nang umikot ang rotation.
Let's see, Soltones is in front.
Yun. Kailangan, parang sabi ni Eliza, kailangan ikaw umupak eh. Wala eh, nasa likod ako eh.
Sortones is right on cue. Clean shot, look at this. Ang ganda ng lusot ng bola.
Saka full wind-up eh.
Oo.
2019, Jem Ferrer playing the majority of this second set. That is true. Sortones unable to jam Gonzaga.
And it's very easy for Gonzaga now. She's going up against a single block. Mas madali sa kanyang palusutin ang bola.
Ferrer, De Venadera can't get it to crawl over. And it's now in the hands of Army, leading by 21-20. Process. Regalo.
Oh! Naunahan ni Job Gonzaga.
Playable eh, actually. Pero sabi ni Job, upakan ko na. 2-point lead, listening time now with Roger Gurriel.
Pinuha mo, over. Pinuha mo ngayon, over.
Dalawa lang sila.
Dalawang punta siya sa huwag mo madali sa pagpalo. Pag nandiyan, tingnan mo yung kamay ng black. Hindi basta mo. Papaltukin mo, crunch time na yan. Amang sila ng dalawa.
Okay, what's up?
Ay, sayang yan eh. Sige, kaya.
Kasi naman medyo regalo yung kay De Venadera kanina, hindi niya inupakan eh.
Oo. At kita mo naman kung sino ang frontline ngayon ng Philippine Army. Agresibong-agresibo. Tobino, Gonzaga, and Maranyo.
Para may pader ka dyan, ano?
Oo. At saka yun yung mahihilig sa regalo.
Yan.
Yan ang
Oo.
target.
Ah,
Well,
yan,
let's see.
Mga regalo girls.
Oh, look at that. Sakto naman talaga
Ay,
si
sakto.
Ging. Oo.
Lakas. Sinubukan mula sa back row, pero yung lamang kanina ng PLDT ay naglaho na, no?
Parang ano pala to si Coach Kung Fu, na parang may test yung kanyang mga servers.
Aha.
Ito target nyo.
Pag napapunta nyo rito, may playing time there. Lakas. And it is set.
Oh. Now,
Yes.
having,
Lakas eh.
oo, yung mga see, unhappy itong PLDT dun sa call na yun, ano? We're seeing a lot of these errors.
Parang wala naman. Wala. Hindi nag-deflect yung bola.
No, yung loop is the same, but no change in direction.
And it is set point indeed. Mahirapan si Pantone iabot na malinis. Now, she does. Soltones. No.
Oh.
Nanggigigil kasi yung spiker. So 25-20 is the score here in the second set, and it is the Army looking good. Alam mo, they managed to recover, ha? Nung despite the fact na nalamangan na sila.
They just really played steady.
That is so true. As you check out our Shake and Play, and we will have set number 3 coming your way after this.